Now I'm going to explain about what is OBS Studio. This software is an open source software. Is used for video recording and live streaming. Okay, so this software can be downloaded from this website here. Right, so you just go to choose window download to your PC and just install. After you have set up OBS, you should have one icon on the desktop. Then you can open up the OBS. To open up the OBS, if your PC is a notebook, like for my PC is a notebook, I have an Intel graphic card and NVIDIA graphic card, right? So if I open with the NVIDIA graphic card, I will not able to record the video. There's something happens. Okay, this is my problem. I think your site may have the same problem. Okay, if you have that problem, then you can always use the Intel graphic card. So for my PC, I'm using the Intel graphic card to open this OBS Studio. And this is the OBS Studio. Okay, if you open up OBS for the first time, you might have there's a wizard, right? There's a wizard like this. Ask you which one to optimize. So you can always select optimize for just for recording, right? If you are not doing any streaming, yeah. Now this all I already set it previously. So for your site, you should this area should empty. So I will remove all. Yes, remove. Yes, and remove. I will remove all and do it again, just to show you how to use OBS, right? So to capture your window, you can always right click here to add like the window, capture the display capture, yes, display capture. You can put any name you want, then okay, then you can choose which monitor. Now I have two monitor actually, so I have the primary and the other one. Okay, this is my second monitor, so I'm going to choose my first monitor, right? After you choose the first monitor, immediately you can see the monitor, right, on the screen. Of course, you can always resize this canvas if you want, but normally we don't do that. Yeah, we put to the maximum. And then beside displays capture, sometime you might need to for example add a company logo on the screen. You can always like add image, right? So I can say MGT logo and okay, then you can browse browse for the logo. So I'm going to go to my Dropbox, and yeah, so company logo. So I can choose a picture to display, right? And of course you can resize the pictures, right? So if you want your logo to be transparent, please save as your picture must be a zip file or PNG file, right? Make sure it is a transparent picture, right? So you can add any picture that you want into the system, right? Beside that, you can also add like some text, right? You can add some text. Let's say buy gun. You can add some text. Buy gun. So this text will be there after you record the video. So this is my text. You can change the color to any color that you wish, right? And change the fonts type, things like that, and OK. And here's the text, and again you can rename, resize, and put any location that you wish on the canvas. Quite a lot of things that you can add. Another one is maybe you want to add a video capture device, maybe add your webcam, right? So you can choose, let's say, integrated webcam, and click OK. And video capture, yeah, because my webcam got something wrong, so it doesn't show, but normally it will show, right? So this is how you add a webcam if you need. This one I will remove. Yes, right. This is how you set up the canvas for recording. Next, I'm going to explain about the audio. And this is a mic. You can see as I speak, you can see the chart is moving, right? Make sure make sure the chart will not reach the red color area if possible. You can reduce this if you want, right? For now I think it's okay for me. And for the mic, so you can have option also on the property to choose which one you want. You want to use the PC mic or your headset mic, yeah. And the desktop audio, for the desktop audio, it captures the audio of the desktop. For example, now I have a YouTube is playing at the background. This one, no, not this. Okay, right. I'm playing some music at the background. So this audio will be captured by the OBS also. And you can always, if you cannot see some movement here, you can always go change your device, desktop audio device, so either your headset or your PC speaker, right? Try to use a headset for recording, right? It will reduce a lot of noise. This is regarding the audio. Next, I'm going to talk about how to set up shortcut key, right? Of course, you can, if you want to start recording, you can always click here to start recording and click here to stop recording, right? But this sometimes maybe not so nice, right? So you always can go to settings, right? In the settings, there's a hotkey here. So you can set, like for me, I set let's say, let me remove this. So let's say for start recording, I'm going to set alternate F5, right? So I'm setting alternate F5 for recording, and for stop alternate F8, for pause F6 and F7. Okay, so this will help us a lot, especially when we before recording, we can minimize the OBS and then just use the shortcut key to record the screen and stop the screen, right? Especially very useful if you have only one monitor. Next, I'm going to explain about the output format. So to see the video, where's the recorded video, you can always go to File and Show Recording, right? And it will show you the folder where the recording is, right? You can see now the default video format is .mkv. Most of the time this is okay. This is okay. So if you need to change the output format from MKV to MP4, you can do that. You just go to the setting and go to the output. Over here you can choose MKV change to MP4. You have some warning, but most of the time it's okay, right? This is how you change format from MKV to MP4. So I'm going to use back the MKV. Now let's look at the recording again. Here's the recording, right? And try to, when you do recording, try not to do a long recording, okay? Try to create like what I have here, like 01, do something 02, you know? And like this video is actually 06, yeah. Change video format from MKV to MP4, right? So this is what you should do. Record small video, because we are going to use the video editor to combine it later.